is a poem that I wrote June 16th, 2005, and today is September 5th, 2013, and it's titled Change and Disintegration. It's time for a cool change, for everything to rearrange. I find it pleasantly strange how I'm perceived to be deranged by the ones that make the least sense of all, with the judgments they pass and the names that they call. Changes, yes indeed I say, let them come, I'm not afraid. I know that I've gone astray because things aren't supposed to be this way. It's time for a change to come tumbling through, to fall on the plants that the bad seeds grew. Time for out with the old to make way for the new, to see through the smoke and lies, to find something true. I have to find some kind of balance and tame this chaos. What a challenge. I desperately long for some organization, which is sure to require a serious simplification and a priority list reevaluation. Some steady focus and deep concentration. But first I'm going to take a little mental vacation to a quiet, peaceful place for some rest and meditation, where I can just be still for a moment, free of all the complications that disrupt me and distract me from my spiritual contemplation. I find my life to be the subject that I should most subject to analyzation. I wonder why I find myself filled with so much hesitation, and why I feel so restless and am lacking inspiration. What I've learned of reality and the nature of its creation should eliminate this constant state of thick and vile frustration. In a world that's experiencing a severe spiritual stagnation, a race of lost and tortured souls filled with pain and degradation, without a trace of the unity on which we once founded a nation, we don't even put up a fight anymore against the evils of temptation. Sex and drugs are the closest that we felt to true elation, in a society suffering from a mental and spiritual separation. A result of man hindering evolution with misguided rules and regulations, pushing our natural spirituality into a distorted religious mutation. Mankind has sown the seeds of destruction, now he reaps abomination. A life where children are faced every passing minute with such violent violation that saps from them their innocence and replaces it with trepidation, then sends them to a militant environment to receive miseducation, where their minds are crammed full with so much misinformation, as they're forced to undergo further demoralization, to prepare them for a society plagued by dilapidation. And if they start to question, they're suppressed with medication, to numb them and confuse them into a state of stupefaction. And this is what we provide our youth, to serve as a foundation. Instead of divine guidance, we're taught to rely on speculation, and we wonder why this world keeps experiencing a moral disintegration. It's time to change the situation. Yo.